prove that cos pi plus x into cos minus x divided by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x equals cot square x. We know the formula cos pi plus theta equals minus cos theta. Cos minus theta equals cos theta. Sin pi minus theta equals sin theta. Pi means 180 degree. Cos pi by 2 plus theta equals minus sin theta. Pi by 2 means 90 degree. Theta means angle, degree of angle. The left hand side, our question's left hand side is cos pi plus x into cos minus x divided by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x equals cos pi plus theta minus cos theta, then cos pi plus x minus cos x, cos minus x, cos minus x, cos minus theta equals cos theta, then cos minus x equals cos x or cos theta, cos x, then sin pi minus x equals sin x, sin pi minus theta, sin theta, similar, sin pi minus x, sin x, cos pi by 2 plus x minus sin x, cos pi by 2 plus theta minus sin theta, similar to cos pi by 2 plus x minus sin x, cos x into cos x, cos square x minus cos x into cos x minus cos square x divided by sin x into minus sin x into equals minus sin square x. Cos square x divided by sin square x equals cot square x. Negative by negative positive. Then our answer is cot square x. Prove sin square x. Prove the LHS equals RHS. Our answer is cot square x.